Orange, Vermont. Charted in 1781. A small town in central Vermont, home to a rich history and beautiful landscape. There are views that will make you feel small and insignificant to the ever-turning world around us, but in the best way imaginable. At first glance, it may just look like farmlands and acres of forest, but within those are the keys to life.
Should I take another walk to the DMV? Get another learner's permit with a picture of me. I'd put it in my wallet along with my $4 and the condom that's still in there that is probably expired. I'd leave home for New York, but New York is where I'm from.
I'm fairly new to this place, but I've experienced more of what it means to be truly alive here than I have anywhere else. It's opened up my eyes to the plentiful resources Mother Nature provides for each and every one of us, even if we may not be deserving of such a sacred gift. We discard our trash in her waters, and on the beautiful landscape we have carved, cut, and dug our invasive roots into. We neglect what our planet is giving us to replace it with convenience and profit for those who are trying to rob us of what it actually means to exist here. Taking our focus from the world around us that's so desperately crying for our care, love, and attention.
I'll be just like a cassette that you've taped up the tabs of to put something new on it. And when I hit record, God only knows what I will be. And if there is no God, then it's a better mystery.
I ask you to please acknowledge these cries, for they one day will be replaced with your own. But your cry will consist of regret. Why didn't I pay more attention? What meant more to me than the well-being of the very ground I walk upon?
Is half full of nothingness.